chocolate trifle, chocolate trifle, chocolate trifle. I bow. Hello everyone, welcome back to Two Smart Cookies. My name is Paige.
My name is Lauren.
And as requested by SOOOO Zoe, we are bringing you today a chocolate trifle.
Ooh.
With a little bit of a twist.
And I absolutely love that suggestion, Slot Zoe, so thank you so much for commenting that on our video.
I'm going to dig right into that. I'm also going to be serving it in our restaurant tomorrow, so ooh, tasty.
We'll get a little bit of feedback, which is nice.
Yeah, and we'll let you know how it goes. So for that gorgeous brownie recipe, you are going to need 170 grams of unsalted butter, 113 grams of chocolate bar, 333 grams of granulated sugar, 3 large eggs at room temperature, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, 84 grams of cocoa powder, 125 grams of plain flour, 3/4 teaspoon of salt. Preheat that oven to 180 degrees, gas mark 4.
To begin our chocolate brownie, you're going to put all of your butter in a microwave safe bowl and half of your chocolate. This is going to be microwaved in 30-second increments to ensure that it's fully melted. Get off the chocolate.
Add a bit extra.
Now what you like. She sneaks a bit on the side. Right, so we're going to melt that, make sure it's melted properly, and obviously be careful not to burn it.
When do I ever burn anything?
Off you go.
Okay, your mixture is now complete. We are going to set that aside for 5 minutes or so, just to slightly cool, while we move on to the next bit. Next step, we are going to mix the eggs and the sugar together until we get that, it's like a ribbony sort of texture, until it's combined in the sugar, like kind of dissolved in a way. That's the only way of putting it.
You know,
always breaking things. Without doubt. Just happens, doesn't it?
Not really. Be careful enough.
But I was careful, I've just got a fat on. Right. Let it go. Once your mixture looks something a little like this, then we are ready to dive straight in with our mixture. Chocolate butter mixture. Yeah, we're gonna chuck that in.
Ooh, not the spoon though.
I don't fancy spooning me brownie like Lauren.
Vanilla extract.
Yeah, chuck that in there as well. And we're gonna top this back on speed again for a couple of minutes until all combined. Medium to high.
Keep an eye.
Once your mixture is looking something like this, then we are ready to move on to the next step. Put in the rest of our ingredients, the flour, the salt, and the cocoa powder. Flour. Woo. Salt. Tasty.
Cocoa powder.
Extra tasty. Get that in there.
See, I didn't smell nothing unlike you.
No. And mix that again. We're going to mix this on a low speed. Whilst that is mixing, we will get to chopping up the little pieces of chocolate that we can throw in.
What you got in your mouth?
I don't want to do the same thing. We're going to have less chocolate now.
We've got to make it equal. That's how it works. Got that in fact.
Okay. Did you know? So we pop this in our chocolate. Again, give it another little mix. This will only take about 10 seconds or so, and your mixture will be ready. Ooh.
There's nothing left for you. Stop.
Worth a try. Complete.
Voila!
Voila. Look at that chocolate dripping from that spoon.
Put it in there so you don't get it all over the bench.
Mixture is all done. I'm gonna pop this onto this tray. Do you want to do the honours?
We are just using a small tray because we don't want that sponge to come up too much, as we'll just be cutting it to go on the trifle.
Are you ready? Oh. Yeah, so the flat tray. Stop
I'm
laughing.
dying to just do this, sorry.
I mean, I wouldn't complain, so I'll probably just eat it on the way down. Yeah, we are using this flat tray because we are going to we're going to use a cookie cutter to shape these brownies. I don't even need a cookie cutter, I'm just going to use the trifle tin, aren't we?
I don't.
Looks much too good for children.
Right, do you want to put it on your head and just turn around?
Okay, ready? Oh, that's how you can tell. Nice, thick, beautiful brownie.
Make sure that's covering all the corners.
Oh, right now.
Get all the air bubbles out.
Right, let's get this in the oven.
Come on then.
We are going to pop this in our oven for, I would say, around 30 to 40 minutes, just whenever it's done inside. We want that clean toothpick. Let's pop it in. To complete your trifle, you are going to need some chocolate syrup or chocolate sauce, cherry jam, 300 millilitres of double cream, and some chocolate sprinkles for the top. There we go. Next step.
Step number 2.
Next step, we are going to beat that cream in the mixer. We'll pop it in. you beat the mixer, you never beat the cream. What? Go on, put it in, man. Beat the cream, you beat the mixer over the cream. God, what we're going to do with that? Do you know what I mean? Right, pop that in. High setting until it's combined. Brownie has been acquired from the oven, and we had left it in the fridge for a little bit just to cool down so it was easier for us to assemble.
And if you're wondering why there's 2 missing, it's because we did have a practice run, didn't we?
Yeah. Wanted to make sure it actually assembled. Great stuff. Glass. Stick it in the brownie for the bottom layer. Ooh. Hey.
Pop that out. Take a little more.
Oh, look at that. Oh, I'm going to do it that way. Are you ready? And we're going to
press it in.
Press it in the bottom.
We're going to go with a spoonful of morel cherry.
And look, it leaves a little pouch for the cherry jam to sit in. Okay. We don't want too much cherry because there's going to be 2 layers. Okay, we'll go in with our cream. Ooh. Cake's moving. The cake's moving around the bottom.
I was going to say you might want to put a little bit of cream or something to stick your sponge to the bottom if you're struggling with it.
You know, wet froze. Okay, back in with some more sponge. Ready.
more cherry.
Because we're making like a Black Forest style chocolate trifle.
Can't go wrong with Black Forest anything, can you?
Lush. Insane. Right, and we're going to go in with some more of that
Creme de la creme.
cream. And even whipping cream, oh, it's just so good, isn't it?
Fresh cream.
Try to mix it so I don't get the cherry out of the side. Quite neat.
Oh, looks good that.
Doesn't it?
Just
Right, and we want now the chocolate sauce drizzled across the top. Oh. Yes. And we'll get some of those chocolate sprinkles.
go hard or go home.
I was gonna say I'm gonna add a few extra. Even missed one on the table. See? Without fail. Without fail. Right.
Sloth Zoe, thank you so much for your suggestion. We're going to tuck into this lovely chocolate trifle. And
Yeah,
give it a
can't
go.
wait. Already.
Go on, you go first.
It's always me first.
Oldest first, I suppose.
Oh, wait there. I'm trying to get all the layers.
We've got to get all the layers.
Oh, and I still spilled it. Look at that on there. Oh, that looks so good. I'm waiting for you because I don't want to dug in. Oh, look at it. You can see it inside. Are you ready? Oh, yes. That is so tasty.
It's as good as it gets, isn't it?
Yeah, can't get any better. Like, can't get any better. This was such a good idea.
Best thing about the trifle is that you get layers and layers and layers of flavour coming through. You start with these sponge and then you get a little taste of cream. Then you morel cherry.
Yeah, and the hint of
Rich
cherry.
chocolate as well.
And then you get the slight crunch on the little sprinkles on top just to like even it out.
Wowzers.
Oh, I can't wait. Can't wait to eat the rest.
Right? Beautiful. Approve. Thank you for your suggestion. Very well appreciated, isn't it?
Oh, 100%.
Now that is all for Two Spot Cookies today. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you give us a subscribe, a like and a little comment down below, and press that notification bell for any updates on when we next post.
Thanks for watching.
Bye bye.
Bye.